Hello students, good morning. See, we are learning your topic current electricity. This is the topic number 3 from your science and technology book. That one is nothing but the science 1 part. Okay, current electricity. What is current? Current and electricity, these two words are interrelated with each other. In previous video lecture, we have told you some examples for electricity. Why? Because electricity is very useful in our day-to-day life. Like our basic needs, electricity is also being our basic needs in day-to-day life. See, like food, cloth and shelter, electricity is also our basic need in these days. Okay, because in everywhere, in every sector, the electricity is used for the various purposes. In hospital, in institutes, in various companies, in various industries, the use of electricity is we are found in a large amount. Okay, like domestic appliances, fridge, cooler, oven, mixer, washing machine, roti maker. In all such appliances, electricity is required. The word current electricity, electricity is related to word electrons. What is electricity? What is mean by current electricity or electricity? See, the flow of water is nothing but the what we can say here. See, let it be. See, electricity. What is mean by electricity? Electricity is nothing but the, it is related to word electrons. Electricity is nothing but the, in simple language, when electrons flow from one end to another end, that one is nothing but the electricity. Flow of electron is known as electricity. See, in day-to-day life, we all require electricity. Means human being use electricity. Like that human being, animals are also used electricity for various purposes. For example, the fishes like eel use electricity for to catch their prey and also use electricity for the self-defense. Okay. See, in previous video lecture, I have told you one example of natural flow of electricity, and that one is nothing but the lightning that strikes the earth. It is a good example of the lightning that strikes the earth. Okay, the lightning that strikes the earth, it is a good example of natural flow of electricity. It is an example of natural flow of electricity, and all of you know that. See, why it is happen, why the electricity is how the current will flow here. What happen actually in this process? The lightning that strikes the earth means it is natural flow of electricity. It is a good example for natural flow of electricity or natural flow of current. When the current is a flow, when we said to be current is a flow, for that in your book you have one activity. And what is the activity? The activity is nothing but you have some small experiment, and that small experiment is nothing but you require 2 plastic bottles, and in that plastic bottles have water. Okay, and in between these 2 plastic bottles, these 2 plastic bottles are attached with the help of a cork, or we can say a rubber cork or clamp. Okay, like these 2 bottles, one bottle is placed at higher level and another bottle is placed at lower level. Sorry, this bottle is below to one bottle. See, we are going to naming the bottle. This bottle is said to be bottle A and this bottle is said to be bottle B. In between these 2 bottles having a rubber cork. Okay, and you can say it also clamp. Okay, these 2 bottles consist of water. In that 2 bottles having a water, and based on these 2 bottles or level of water, you have some questions and a small experiment. What is the experiment? See, like such experiment, what is the apparatus? Two plastic bottles, a rubber cork, or it is also called as clamp, a stand, and water. See, what will happen in these two bottles? You have two questions. The question number first one is the what happened when the clamp is removed. Clamp means what? This rubber tube. Okay. Naming here. Names are here is the plastic bottle. Here is the cork, or it is also called as clamp. Here is the water, and here is the stand. And you have two questions. Okay. First question is what happened when clamp is removed. See, you can see the water level in A bottle is high, the water level in B bottle is low. Okay. When we see these two diagrams or two bottles, you can see water level in bottle A is a high and water level in bottle B is low. Okay. What will be the question? The question will be, when this clamp is removed, what happen? All of you know that what happened? The water from bottle A start to move from bottle A to bottle B, or water from bottle A move or flow to bottle B. Okay. This is the answer of this question. Means water from higher level start to flow to lower level. Okay. And another one question is the, does the water stop flowing, and if it is stop flowing, then why? Okay. Does the water stop flowing? See, when we remove the clamp, water will start to move from this bottle to this bottle. Okay. When it will stop to flowing, when the level between the level of water between these two bottles becomes equal, the water will stop flowing. Are you getting this? What is the question of what is the answer of question number 2? Does the water stop flowing? And if the water is stop flowing, why it is happen? Okay. When the water will stop flowing, when we remove this clamp, water will start to flow. Okay. When it is stopped to flowing, when the water level between these two bottles becomes equal, the water will stop flowing. Okay. From this experiment, what we can say, this experiment demonstrate the level of water of flowing. The flow of water shows with this experiment. See, this experiment shows or demonstrate the flow of water. Okay. In this experiment, what we can say, this experiment shows the flow of water. In this way, the flow of current is also flow from higher level to lower level. See, in this example, the lightning that strike the earth, what will actually happen? Here is the water level. In case of current electricity, we can say the potential. Okay. See, the word here is the level is very important. Like the water level, the flow of water, the flow of current will also flow from higher to lower level, and this level of electric level is known as electric potential. See, what is the definition for potential? So based on this experiment, we can define what is mean by potential. Potential is nothing but it is level in between two points. Okay. This is known as potential. So the definition of potential we are going to learn. See, just like water, the flow of electric charge is the flow of electric charge or the flow of electric current is also depend on the level between 2 points, and this level is known as electric potential. What I say, just like water, the flow of electric charge, the flow of electric charge, or you can say the flow of electric current is depend on it is depend on the 2 points. The flow of electric charge or current is depend on the level between 2 points. Level between 2 points, and this level between 2 points, this level between the 2 points is known as electric potential. Electric potential. Okay. So what is the electric potential and what this experiment demonstrate? This experiment demonstrate about the electric level, and that one is nothing but is known as potential. Okay, and what is the definition for potential? The flow of electric charge or electric current is depend upon the level between the 2 points, and this level between 2 points is known as electric potential. So what is electric potential? Electric potential is nothing but, in short language, electric potential is nothing but, it is differences in electric level. It is differences in electric level. See, like water is flow due to the differences in water level, and it is always a flow from higher level to lower level. Like water, the current is always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Point to be remember. Okay, what I say, the electric potential is nothing but the differences in electric level, and current is flow due to the differences in electric level, and it is always a flow from higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential to lower potential, current will always flow. So in this video lecture we are discussed about the what is mean by potential. We will stop here.